Hey, to change lock screen clock style on the Redmi 13, first of all you will have to just navigate into the settings. Now you will have to go into the wallpaper and the personalization, and then go into the lock style. Right now you can just scroll down, and here you can find some different clock styles. When you keep scrolling, you can also find this one, for example, with the different font. And we can actually find here the 3 different styles. Let's say that I want to get, for example, this kind of the lock screen. So I can click apply, or I can even click customize. I can change the wallpaper, I can add some filter, and I can change the font or even the font color if I want. So as you can see, that's how it looks. But I'm gonna just click done and then apply, and it's finished. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.